Hello everybody, test driving Toyota Yaris, which came in with a DPF problems. Now the problems we solved. What can you tell us about your car? How was it before and how is it driving now?
Before it didn't have as much power, now it has more power. Before I always had to be worried about it, if the DPF would block again and what to do about it. And now there's no more worries.
Engine light?
And the engine, no more engine light, and the car really has a lot more power. It's more responsive.
Okay. Can you see any black or white smoke?
Black or white spot?
From the mirror. Can you check if there is a black or white smoke from your car?
No, there's no smoke.
Nothing.
There's nothing.
Right. Okay.
No, nothing.
Okay. We have another happy customer from Supreme Dpf Cleaning, located in Westram, Kent. We'll be turning left where the car is. Yeah, put your indicator. You can reach me with your DPF faults, Adblue faults, EGR faults, turbo injectors, power loss, high fuel consumption problems. We are the masters. We are also RAC approved garage, RAC repair center. We are content tuning, EC programming center, and ghost immobilizer fitting center. My telephone number is 07533636194. Thanks for watching. We are flying in this little car.